Technology-enabled care refers to the use of gadgets, apps, and services which support people to live independently for longer. Tech gives control to individuals, it provides reassurance to families, and it offers support to carers. When resources are scarce, tech offers cost-effective ways to support people to live their lives with confidence, dignity, and independence. Physical disabilities vary widely and they affect everyone differently. Many people who have a disability feel frustrated because it impacts their normal day-to-day activities. Some acquired disabilities can be life-changing and daily routines suddenly become a huge effort. Practical challenges can lead to a loss of self-esteem, confidence, and even mental health issues. Milan is 25. She cannot walk unaided and has restricted arm movement. She uses a powered wheelchair and drives an adapted car. She works part-time and enjoys an active social life. Milan recently purchased her first home, a bungalow, and a disabled facilities grant helped to improve access, funding a wet room which increased her independence. Further recommendations for aids and adaptations were made by her occupational therapist. Milan wanted any equipment to look as mainstream as possible and opted for smart home technologies where she controls her heating and lights through an app on her smartphone. She has a telecare connection with links to smoke detectors. If a fire broke out, the system would sound an alarm and alert a monitoring center. She also has a fall detection smartwatch. This technology gives Milan the confidence to live the life she chooses in her own home and out and about in the community. The Disabled Facilities Grant funding was provided by her local council and the work carried out by her home improvement agency. The smartphone and smartwatch are owned by Milan. She rents a community telecare alarm and is eligible for social care funding for her linked smoke alarm. Milan now has a personal assistant funded by a social care direct payment to support her daily living tasks. She is responsible for the landline and broadband connection. Technology-enabled care is transforming people's lives and the services which deliver care and support. The growth of digital solutions is rapidly opening up new opportunities to deliver personalized care and support. When you think tech, think about how you will use it to protect, detect, and connect.